how to create mockups on Canva for Etsy. Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on how to create stunning mockups on Canva for your Etsy shop. As a seller on Etsy, you know how important it is to have an attractive product image that grabs your customers' attention. A great way to do this is to create high-quality mockups that will showcase your products in a visually appealing way. In this video, we'll be showing you how to create professional-looking mockups that will make your product stand out from the crowd. Now, what we're going to use is this Canva platform, which is a user-friendly design tool that will make it easy for anyone, even those with little to no design experience, to create beautiful mockups that are sure to catch the eye of potential customers. Now, to get started, the first thing you're going to do is go to canva.com. And if you don't have an account, you can simply sign up and create your free account. After doing that, you would be redirected to this home page of Canva. This is what we are seeing right now is the home page. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Create a Design over here on the top right. And over here, you're simply going to search for whatever product that you would like to create a mockup on. For example, t-shirt, like what we saw earlier. This will provide us with a canvas size that is perfectly fit for a t-shirt mockup. Now over here, we are redirected to the editing page of Canva. This is our canvas over here in the center. And over here on the left side, we can see that we have designs, elements, uploads, and text, which are important for creating a mockup. Over here on the design, we have templates. These are different templates that you could use to create your mockup design. For example, this one, we could put in this coding mockup over here, and you could change the content by simply typing in whatever message that you would like to add. For example, over here, I'm going to type in system.out.print, just like that. And we could adjust the size by doing this and make it smaller, just like that. And you could also select both of these and make them both be smaller as well. You can make this smaller by 100 maybe, just like that. And you could align it just like that. Just like that. You could easily edit any components of these templates that you could use over here. Now, for now, we're going to delete this template that we chose, and we're going to explore our elements over here. Now, other elements, you could basically use any elements that you could think of and make them combine into a mockup that you could use. For example, we're going to use this cat image over here, and we'd put it in the middle of our canvas. And then you could think of any other elements that you could use that we could combine with our current element. For example, we could choose moon, just like that, and we're going to wait for our graphics and photos to load. After loading in, as you can see, we have different graphics for the moon, and we can also have photos if you want to use a hyper realistic image. For now, we're going to go with graphics. For now, we're going to click on See All, and this will allow us to see all the different graphics that is available for us that is specifically for this topic over here. We're going to use this graphics of a moon, and we can make this bigger, just like this. We could make it centered a bit, just like that. And we could click on position over here on the top and click on layers. And we could arrange the layer location of our elements, just like that. And we could make our cat be on top of our moon, just like that. You could use any graphics of the moon over here. And like I said earlier, you could also use the photos. I'm actually going to change this. I changed my mind. We're going to go with photos so that our photo is a bit realistic, since our cat is a realistic cat, just like this. And we're going to do the same thing, go to position and rearrange our elements, just like that. Then change the position of our cat. And we're going to click on our background over here, and we can change this by clicking on our background on this background color on the top, and you can change this to any color that we like. We could also add gradients to it, just like this if we like, or we could choose from different colors over here, and we could edit our gradient settings over here. Now for now, I'm going to actually search another graphics and search for Galaxy. just like that. And we're going to wait for it to load once again. And we're going to use photo or graphics that we like as our background over here to fit the theme that we are creating, which is a cat on a space, basically. And we're simply going to choose if we would like to use a graphics or a photo. I think I'm going to use a photo for now. We're going to click on see all over here. And we're going to choose a photo that we like. Maybe this one. I'm going to drag it on the background just like that. And it will automatically change our background to the specific image that we chose. I'm actually going to select our element of our cat and the moon over here, and we're going to make it a bit smaller, just like that. And we're going to edit our background over here. We're going to make it a bit darker. Actually, we're going to lessen the darkness, just like that. And what I want to do is we're going to click on text over here, and we're going to add a heading. And we're going to type in meow, just like that. And we're going to put it on top of our cat. And we could choose from the different fonts that we have over here on the left side. And there are a lot of different fonts that we could use. And you should use a font that is fit for the theme that you are creating for your mock-up. I'm going to choose a fitting font style for our mock-up over here. Maybe this one. I'm going to change the color to white. And just like that. And I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And we're going to try and make it centered a bit. Just like that. And we're going to click on effects over here. And we're going to scroll down. And we're going to select this curve option over here, which would allow us to curve our message. And we're going to do this, and just like that. And just like that, we created a design for our t-shirt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on download over here. And I'm going to download this as a PNG, so that our elements would be all packed together and as an image. And after downloading, you can simply click on add page over here, and we're going to wait for this to finish. After downloading, we're simply going to drag it into our Canva over here, and it's going to upload. And after uploading, we can simply drag our photo into our canvas over here. And what we're going to do to create our mockup is we're going to click on edit image over here. And as you can see here on the left side, we have this option called Smart Mockups. We're going to click this, and as you can see, we have a lot of options that we could use to create a mockup of what we have created over here. We can create a mockup for a phone, a laptop, greeting card, and many more options over here. We could have it as a card, you could have it as a painting over here on the wall, you could have it as a book cover, or you could have it as a t-shirt design. You could choose any options that you have over here. For example, we're going to go with a t-shirt design. We're going to go with this option over here, the t-shirt 7, and we're going to wait for it to finish applying it. And just like that, we have our very own t-shirt mockup design created just for us by Canva. And our design is on the photo, as you can see over here. We could change this into something else, maybe change it into a hoodie. We're clicking on this option over here, and we're going to once again wait for it to create our design. And just like that, we have our design on a hoodie design. We could use any of the mock-up designs that we have over here. There are a lot, just like I said earlier. You could also have mugs as your mock-up over here. Now, after choosing the specific mock-up that you like, you can simply download the specific image, and then you could go to your Etsy store and upload the specific image for your shop. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.